Welcome back to our channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bianca Amor Liquidation Super Center. Dito lang ako sa may north side ng Lagos. So come on, samahan nyo kami at check natin yung work ng Bianca Amor Liquidation Super Center. Alright, rock and roll. Show me this. Okay, rock and roll. Yung mga katropa, meron sila ditong senior discount 25% off the first of Tuesday of the month. Dito ang sa Bianca Amor mga katrops. Right. Come on, let's go check it out. It's only cash today?
I think card works right now.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, this side is mga katrops is the toy section. Yeah, the chicken train. Oh look, too much toys here. Come on guys. Hey, the Barbie. Oh yeah, mga katrops.
There's more toys in your
Oh yeah, more toys here. Right, Dime?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, let's go this way. What's that? Oh,
I wonder if we can fight viciously.
yeah. Come on, this way.
Can you buy this?
This way mga katrops, yung mga foods area naman dito mga katrops. Yan. Ito yung makikita mo dito sa Bianca Amor Liquidation Super Center.
Wow!
Yan sila mga food stuff. Ito mga drinks yan mga katrops. Alright. Ito yung gusto ko dito eh. Ito. Tingnan nyo ito ha. Yan. Meron silang mga samurai dito eh. Yan. Mga knives. Alright. Ito mo. Yan. Alam yung mga trops, mura lang yung mga tinda nila dito kasi liquidation center to eh. Kaya medyo makamura-mura tayo dito. I mean, hindi pala mura. Cheap. Makaka-cheap tayo dito. Sa Bianca Amor Super Center. Dito lang sa Lethbridge, Alberta mga trops. Hey! Mga katrops, itong area naman to mga automotive to eh. Okay? Ito yung area na to mga tools, automotive. Yan, daming mga tools oh. Yan. Makaka-save kayo dito mga katrops eh, kasi liquidation nga. So, big discount pagka pumunta kayo dito sa Bianca Amor Liquidation Super Center. Alright Kathleen, oh look at this, there's a hat. Yeah. So, ito naman yung mga damit-damit. Ayan oh. Ayan mo gaano karaming mga damit yung dito. Makakabili ka pa dito ng $5 na damit eh kung marunong ka lang parang ukay-ukay na style pero bago to eh. Walang luma dito sa Bianca Amor Super Centers. Alright. Yeah. You know where's the biggest carpet is over here. See? There's like a carpet over here. So famous nila. Where is it, Kathleen? Oh, see? They sell carpets here. The magic carpet is right here. See, it's the biggest carpet. Sir, kamusta sir? Nagulat ako. Oh, see? Don't be scared. There's some people over there.
Look at one piece.
Yeah, I know. Oh, this way mga katrops yung mga mga beddings. Ayan, ang daming mapagpilian dito sa Bianca Amor eh. Look at that. Yeah. What do you have, kid? Candies? Wow. Yeah. Look at that.
Papa, you're buying my birthday.
Oh, your birthday. I'll buy that. Okay. So nice. Okay, mga katrops. Yan. Ito na yung Bianca Amor, mga katrops. So, tingnan nyo. Dami kang makikita dito kung ano-anong mga rugs sila dyan. Oh. Ayan mo. Yan. Pero yung mabenta daw dito yung kwan eh. Itong carpet na yun. Kasi makakabili kayo dito ng medyo mga mura-murang carpet eh. Ayan. Oh, gano'ng karami yan. Wow. Mga katrap, this side is pet supplies. Yeah. Okay, if you have a dog or a cat, you can buy pet supplies here. Yeah, alright. Look, yeah, that's a bed for the dog over there. I know. See? Look, the pet car set. Look at that, so cool, right, Time? Oh, yeah.
It's pancake.
I know. See? That's the pet section, mga katrops.
What is this thing?
That's the cage for the lockup thing. Okay, this is the house for the cat house. Right? Oh, look at this. This is the big one, the Coke
I don't
brand.
like. What is that?
Oh, this is the design for the house right there.
I want to drink it.
Oh, but this for the exercise over here.
I want
Right
to
here.
exercise.
Right there, see? You like exercise dime?
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
want
right
to
there.
fat.
See? Exercise thingy.
But we can't take the choice section very much.
I don't know.
This is not a choice section on the outside.
Okay, come on, let's go. Yeah, this one is the shoes section, mga katrops. Oh, and the dress section.
What is chocolate?
Oh, yeah. This chocolate. Hot chocolate. Yeah, mga katrops. Ang dami mo talagang mapipilian dito sa Bianca Amor.
Oh,
Right,
wow.
Dan? You like the store here?
I have
Yeah?
that and you have to eat.
Okay, come on, let's go this way. Look, there's a gun, Marley. Look at here. Over here. See, only 15 bucks. For the guns. Right there.
Papa, yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh,
I want to be
look. Tingnan nyo ito mga katrops. Oh. Meron silang mga Advil dito. Pero tingnan yung price. $199 lang para sa Advil. Ayan, oh, tingnan nyo, mga Reactren, Benylin, mura lang, oh, $5 lang mga katrops. Oh. Yan, yung naghanap kayo ng mga gamot-gamot. Yeah, I know. Naghanap kayo mga gamot mga katrops. Ito, try nyo to dito sa Bianca Amor. $199 lang Advil. Oh, yeah, Nicoderm. Oh, yeah, $9.99. Yes.
$9.99.
Yeah.
It's $5.
Yeah, I know.
So I won't buy it.
Yeah, see? It's cool, too much cool here. Oh, kung makakata yung likod nyo, this one oh, is good for the scratching of your back. The scratch of your back, like this. Right, Kathleen? Yeah, I know. Look, see? Advil. Oh, look. Nescafe Gold, $4.99.
Medicine.
I know. Right, Kathleen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this section? You don't like it.
Oh, look, this one is, notice this, is applying what, your yunkers, right?
Oh no!
Yeah, toy section again.
Did you put the girl?
Oh yeah. So ayan mga katrops, hanggang dito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa Bianca Amor. Kung naghahanap kayo ng makasipir ng mabibili o baka discount kayo, pasalan nyo yung Bianca Amor. Dito lang to sa sa north side ng Lethbridge. Okay mga katrops, so hanggang dito na lang at see you to the next one. Alright, Kathleen, show me your rock and roll.